Hello, fellow Homo sapiens. Welcome back to Lifers. My mission is to share Earth's biodiversity with you, one species and subspecies at a time. Here is our next bird, the worm-eating warbler. There are currently no subspecies recognized. This species nests on the forest floor, normally on steep slopes. They breed and nest in the eastern United States and winter in Mexico, Central America, and the Greater Antilles. Their common name derives from the caterpillars they eat, not earthworms. They're pretty closely related to the Swainson's warbler that I'm also trying to find. I'll have to go to the southeastern United States for that species. Let's take some time out of our busy lives to appreciate this beautiful species. It's one of my favorite warblers to find. See you next time on Lifers. Thank you for all of your support.